So hey everybody, this review is going to be all about my Yiroo hair, and it came to me in a box like this. And you guys know I love to get products from companies that actually take the time to brand everything that they have. One good thing about this box is the fact that it gives you tips on keeping the hair healthy, and then it also gives you washing tips. So this is supposed to be 100% virgin human hair, and if you guys watched the first video, then you guys know that I was able to bleach this hair and color this hair into like a really cute purple color. And I really do think that the color came out a lot more bright than I thought it would, considering that this hair only lifted to about like a orangey brown color. But I think it came out really good, and it's very subtle, so it's like a perfect purple for the winter. So like if you're out and it's sunny, oh, purple, her hair is purple. But if you're inside, then your hair is still dark, so it can go with any outfit that you may be wearing. So really quickly, I just want to review this hair. So I got a 13x4 frontal, and this is a 18-inch frontal with a 20, 22, and a 24-inch bundle. And I can say that I am kind of a little bit disappointed in the frontal, considering it didn't come pre-plucked, which is why it doesn't look as natural as some of the frontals I have been getting recently. But it still does the job. I did not pluck this at all. I just put it on as is. And I have to say, I haven't experienced a lot of shedding with the frontal, which is what I've been experiencing lately with a lot of hair companies. Their frontals seem to shed, but this one, it doesn't shed. I have gotten a little bit of shedding with my bundles just because I have cut my wefts when I was making the unit. So of course I'm going to get a little bit of shedding, but it's nothing to where like I'm just pulling out hair after strand after strand after strand. So it's nothing like that. It's still very soft. I was very surprised with, after the bleaching and coloring process, that this hair was still in its natural texture. So it came to me in a natural wave, and literally the texture still bounced back after being bleached and colored. So that's a big plus. It also wasn't frizzy. It wasn't damaged or anything by the bleach. So that's also a big plus. Now, one thing that I've noticed with a lot of these companies lately is that hair is not lifting like it used to. So to me, this hair only lifted to like a caramel color, when I remember like maybe a couple years ago when hair used to just turn that blonde color. And it's, I don't know, something about hair right now is just not doing it, and I don't know what it is. But anyway, this hair actually came out pretty good, and I'm actually really happy about the curl process. Like, I just used a little wave iron to get me right, which you guys have seen already. Okay, so as for the pros and cons, I only have two cons, which is there's minimal shedding and that the frontal does not come pre-plucked, which you guys can see. It does not come pre-plucked. So if you're into thick hair, then you might not mind. But if you're into like a really natural looking hairline, then this frontal, if you're not really into doing a lot of work, then this isn't going to be for you, because you are going to have to pre-pluck this frontal. And then, I don't know, it's really bouncy, it's really full. This is all three bundles and the frontal, and I still got a lot of hair. So I am actually impressed. The quality of the hair is actually really good. So I'm going to leave a link down below for you guys in case you were interested in watching how I colored this hair and stuff. I'm going to leave it down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. And I'm just going to go ahead and enjoy this hair. And hopefully you guys enjoyed the get ready with me part when you watch me apply this and everything like that. So I'll see you guys in my next video.